Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making tomato upma. For this we need lots of fresh tomato, semolina, mustard seed, curry leaf, onions, coriander leaf, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. So what we need is to blend around 8 to 10 tomato. Now in a kadai add 1 teaspoon of oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, let them crackle. Now add 8 to 10 curry leaf, add 3 teaspoon of sliced onion, cook till onion is transparent. Now add 1 cup of semolina, dry roast them, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per your taste. Mix it well and dry roast for another 1 minute. Now add blended tomato or tomato puree, mix it well, add some water, half a cup, mix it, and your very healthy tomato upma is ready. Thank you.